Hey everyone, welcome to the farm. So today, you see behind me, pretty white out there. We got, supposed to get, I think, I've heard everywhere from 8 to 12 inches of snow and more, but generally we never get as much as they say we're gonna get, but it's still going down pretty strong outside and the wind is really whipping. The flakes have gotten a lot smaller, luckily. When they were coming down big, it was really piling up pretty quick, but we got a lot of drifting because of the wind. So again, filming in the wind is pretty hard with the technology that I have as of now. So I'm not going to do any talking really for the duration of the video, but I'm just going to be basically going outside, checking on all the animals, getting them fed, making sure their water's not froze up, and won't be very much talking. And also, I don't know how long this battery is going to last. This is a full battery, but when it's cold like this, I mean 15 to 25 degrees, things are pretty rough on those temperatures are pretty rough on the camera equipment, and so the battery dies pretty fast. So I'll do my best I can and get what I can, and show you kind of my day taking care of the animals in weather like this. First up are the piggies, and you guys seen us putting together their little temporary shelter. Got it close to the house and got the heat lamp up, and also I think I'm going to try to get the water heater in the water so that we don't have to worry about their water freezing up, because pigs like the water. Even in the winter they like drinking a lot, so they got a nice cozy little place. And here looks like the sun moved the heat lamp in there, so look like they're plenty warm. And then this guy out here doing whatever he's doing, he's rooting around and eating stuff. So we gotta get them some food, get them water. Looks like their water's snow covered, so we gotta do something about that. Sweet! Well, at least they got a nice coat to keep them warm. We got Cauliflower, the white one. We got Lottie, the yellow, red color, whatever one. And then we got Lenore, the old black and white one over there. These are the sheep. And they are ornery. And they get out way more than they should. And they're a lot of the reasons for my stress on this farm. But hopefully they'll make me just a bit of money, side income at some point. We're gonna have to get the heaters to put in the bins. That's the only way you're gonna have that ice melt in this weather. Get the eggs yet? Oh, quite a few eggs today. Did y'all get them yesterday? Oh yeah, we did. I was here yesterday. Alrighty, they're not frozen. So that means they haven't been here for too long. Alrighty. That's all I see. Bud, It's like you got a plenty of hay here. Yeah, they look pretty cozy in there, dude. Well, we're still working on trying to get everything watered, get everything unthawed so they can drink their water. But this thing keeps dying. It's frustrating. I got the main part of the footage anyway of us getting to the animals and feeding animals, checking on the animals, but I think I'm just gonna put it away for now and get the water situation figured out, and I'm going to go inside and get myself some warm coffee and warm up because today's miserable. I had an idea that I would try to get some muzzleloading done, a little bit of hunting done, track an animal in the snow, which is something I really enjoy doing, but you know, it's kind of miserable today, and kids are about to go back to school in a couple days if the weather lets up anyway, and so I figure I'll just hang out inside and get some stuff done inside and hang out with them today, and then maybe tomorrow morning do a muzzleloader hunt. So stick with me. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep up these daily vlogs, but it's been pretty rough, and I've already, you know, had to release a video for today or yesterday. I had to release it basically this morning. So I'm still dedicated and on a streak of getting a video done and edited and uploaded every day, but obviously I missed one day, so there's going to be two today. It's kind of rough, and I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep that up, but if it pays off, it'll be worth it. So if you're listening and you'd like to subscribe and support this channel and my family, subscribing would be the best way to do that right now. If you have any of the uses for these homestead items in the description, you go through that Amazon link and you can buy stuff through there. It costs you $0 extra. It's just what Amazon charges. We get a little bit of a kickback from that. It's not very much, but it does go towards the channel getting better footage and better camera equipment and being able to work on projects. So it'll all go back into it, and I would much appreciate it. But anyway, if you don't want to buy anything through that, if you just subscribe, that'd be awesome. But anyway, and give me a like or what. I don't know what that does, to be honest with you, but it seems like people love for you to do it. So if you want to, you can. That'd be cool. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.